How to see your saved or liked spotlights on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you like to see your saved or the liked spotlights on Snapchat, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to tap on the Snapchat application like this, and the Snapchat will be launched on your mobile. After that, what you can do is now you can go to the next option. That is, you can go to the very option of the spotlight here. After tapping on the spotlight application here, now you can see the various kind of spotlights there. Now, in order to like it, you can tap on the option of like this, and in order to save it, you can also go to the option of save there. You can also go to the downside like this, and again like, and you can also go to the option of save here on the top side. Now, what you can do is you can go to the next option in order to see it. You have to go to the very option of settings on the top side, or what you can do is you can just go back and then you have to tap on the profile like icon. After tapping on the profile like icon, now here you can see the option of spotlight and snap map and my favorites. Now on the option of my favorites, you can see all of the snap spotlights that you have saved and that you have liked. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.